Good gang, welcome back to the channel. Today is August 31st, Wednesday. I know it's been a while since I've made a video. I've just been really busy with life, busy with trading. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. But this is gonna be a trade recap video of things that have happened or are happening over the past couple weeks. All right. So first and foremost, let's take a look at SPY. I had posted this chart a very long time ago. I posted it in the Discord here. Let me see if I can find it real quick. So on the 15th, I posted this chart, right? This is what the chart looked like before we had price reaction. This was just an observation at the time. But I put, to me, looks like we may be duplicating previous price action and see some exhaustion here. We hit higher highs of the brown information, this purple one right here. Based off how price has reacted here before, we may be looking shorty. Again, we will wait for the signals, but we at the time we had full time frame continuity to the upside, so we did not have anything in confluence with my consensus besides the fact that I saw price action. I was analyzing price action, right? So this is what my consensus was on the 15th, August 15th. And then now we see 15 days later, 16 days later, we did get that price reaction there, and we are starting to come back down. So what am I expecting out of the upcoming price movements of SPY? Obviously, we know we're coming back down to the lows. We know price doesn't move in a straight line either, though. So we could be looking at something like this, something like that. That's what I'm expecting. Again, we will play accordingly. But I do definitely see SPY coming down to 390, possibly by the end of this week or next month if it wants to be, conservative like that. But we are going to end this month failed 2-up shooter, so that is something to keep in mind. We could go for a 2-2 reversal here on the month. But this is just a trade recap. I just wanted to go over what's been happening the past couple weeks. Last Friday there was a huge dump right here, August 26th. This huge outside bar right here, and so last Friday, I mentioned in the chat we were running these puts, and I had the 415 puts. They went 600%, 122 to 890 something. I had more than two, but I sold a bunch, and these were my runners. And then SPX hit it for a cool 150, and that was last Friday. Last Friday, it's not that impressive because you could have. These are my sell orders, right? Blah blah blah. 893 was the last sell order. Yeah, last Friday you could have took a put in the dark and basically got 100%. So that's not that impressive, right? But today, what I did today was I rode SPX or our SPY puts. I rode SPY puts to the downside. Waited for the entry here, right up here into this. I think it's a daily FEG zone that I got from previous price action. And then also, if we're gonna look at this from a Browning view perspective, per the strat, this is the intraday brown information that I had. Our high, our higher high, our low, our lower low. And then we can obviously see price reacted pretty accordingly here. Boom, 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 before we hit the lower lows of the BF. And so I got into shorts up here. And so in the Discord, in my call out channel, I told everybody, took SPY puts here. Boom, like that, right? Right off the bat, boom, we are in profit. We're up a cool 40%. And here is where I added. So I mentioned adding to shorts here. So I added to these on the retracement back up because I know price is coming down, but I know it's not going to go straight down. I know price is going to, it's going to come up, it's going to come down. But overall, we are coming down, right? And then we get, after I add more price movement in our favor, ultimately by the end of the day, you can see we straight up hit. We entered shorts here. I exited early. I exited like like here, just to take advantage of the aggressive price movement from our entry. We didn't really get much retracement to take away from for our contracts to get eaten up by theta, because I was in 0DTs, and so I don't really have room to let theta eat my shit up, even if we do retracements like this. And so I exited right there. But we ultimately ended up hitting the top, and we came back down and hit these lows. And these are our lows right there, right? So that is how today's trade went. And then I will show you guys some other trades I was looking at. So that's how the trade went for me. It went from 48, 1.3 to 1.93. And then, I didn't even post. I didn't post my exit in here on these. But these went to, oh, there we go, 2.4. So I exited these from 1.3 to 2.4. I took, oh, no, I got like 90% actually. So I think it was like 2.6 or 2.5 or something. That was the exit. And then these were the ones that I added. So when I mentioned the add here, instead of buying the same strike price, I bought a little bit further. So these were the 400 puts, and these were the 398s. And so I added the 398s off of the retracement that I mentioned right here. Right there. So you see this add. I added right there, and I added the 398 puts. And so those were at 0.97, and then those ended up going to 2.35. So 142%. I had 3 runners left, but at one point I had 22 of the 398s. Damn. You know what I mean? Just got to work on letting my winners win, but ended up with 3 left, and yeah, that's how those went out. And that was the trades for the day. I threw a little money at the 395s, 0.25 to 0.48. Those actually went 120% or something, but I got out of these around like 0.60. I mean, 60%, 50%, nothing crazy. And so on the day, we did really well. We did really well on the day. If you're in the Discord, you know how to check where the profits are, baby. I'm not gonna show you guys on YouTube though. So if you want to join, come join the Discord. But some other trades that I was looking to take that also played out, but I just didn't take them just because I wasn't really too focused. I kind of lost track. Something I was looking for was HD. So I was looking at HD calls over 294. HD puts below 291. Our price target right here is 289.09 or 294 for our trigger, and then 298 for our target. And so HD, let's see what HD did. Pretty sure we hit our target right here. In the morning, we hit our target pretty substantially here. Hit target again. So basically price did this. Boom, TTO, boom, come back down, and then we maybe even breaking lower on HD, but if you're going to look at this on the hour, pretty sure our first price target was hit within the first hour of market open. That's where we would have entered and exited. I did not enter or exit HD because the spread on the weeklies were horrible. I didn't like those. So it was like a 1.5 spread. That is huge. Like $1.50 spread is just, you don't touch that, you know. AMD right here. Let me see. I was doing calls above 87.5, puts below 85. So our put entry is 85.25. Our call entry is 87.4. I put 87.5 just to be safe. And then AMD, if we look at it on the day, where is our put entry? Right here, 85.25. Same one right there, 85.25. And then we flushed down and hit our 83.9, which is 83.9 right there. We hit our 83.9 target within the first hour of the day as well. And you could have been done with that within the first hour of the day. You know, that's where I would have taken my profit at 83.9. And just to be clear, Um, like, oh, you can't be seeing that. Just to be clear on the call outs as well. I mentioned triggered, moving, and if you took, kudos to you. I didn't take this. Boom, 84, and then target gets hit right there. But yeah, that is pretty much the trade recap of my week. I didn't trade yesterday, and I don't think I took many trades on Monday, so I'm pretty chilling. Yeah, Monday, no trades. Yesterday, oh, I took one trade yesterday, but I posted that in the general chat. It's like a quick 20% scalp, nothing crazy. But yeah, besides that, guys, that is it. You know, that's just gonna be the trade recap for the week, or for what I've been doing at least for the past couple days. Honestly, I don't really feel the need to trade a lot of things right now. You know, we can really take advantage of the volatility amongst SPY and SPX, because if we're hitting these 0DTs and we're catching them with good entries and we're catching good price movement on them, you know, I'm yielding like 50s to 100 percenters on a day within minutes, within 30 minutes to hours. You know, there's no reason for me to focus on everything else when I know I can just focus on SPY and take advantage of this price movement and this volatility. Taking advantage of the 0DTs as well. But yeah, guys, that's about it. That's going to do it for the trade recap. Hope to see you guys in the Discord if you hit the link in my bio to join. This call out section is going to be private soon. I'm just giving it a test out right now. So if you want to try and see some of the things that I'm doing, just hit the link in my bio and feel free to join. Besides that, yeah, just show some love by hitting the like, subscribe, notification bell, and I will catch you guys on the next video. All right, peace out, y'all. I'm gonna try to do some more live trades and this and that, but I've just been pretty busy with life, y'all. It's been hard for me to record and do all the stuff in the background and shit like that, but I'm gonna try to get some more content pumping for y'all real soon. But all right, y'all, catch you on the next one. Peace.